Play nga natin ulit sa mga kapapasok lang. Kawawa yung mga bata. Ito po ulit yung iyakan ng mga bata.
Say them be calm and keep your calm. It's important now, okay? Keep your calm. I can understand.
Baby, could you come? What did you say? Can I get the children tomorrow?
Yarın alabilecek miyim ben çocuklarımı?
Can I get the children tomorrow?
Yes, madam. Okay. Wait, baby. Sweetheart, could you come down for a while? Where are you? I'm in the other police station. Baby, I know. Please come down, sweetheart.
We have to do this together.
Come down, and I'll come
We
down.
have a lot of work to do, please.
Come down, sweetheart. Sweetheart, I'm gonna give you a statement. I'll call you back, sweetie, baby. Don't this phone, sweetheart. You're the mother now. No. I'm gonna tell you the wait and wait. Stop crying, sweetheart. Wait, baby. We will fight. Don't worry. Mommy will fight. Don't worry.
Mommy will fight.
Can you speak to Pia Sean? Wait, Anak, you wait there.
Please, when the police solve the phone,
You have to hide the phone.
Don't hang up the phone.
Maya, hide the phone.
don't finish, she can call you. Please.
Wait, Anak, wait. I'm sorry. I'll call you back, Anak. I'll call you. I will do something. Don't worry. I'll do something. Don't worry.
Nire-record niya yan. Mga ma'am, you have to act now. Kung ayaw niyo mag-act, ay magtiyaga kayo sa bangag. Pero kung mag-act kayo, sa July, hindi na makakapag suot ng butod na gown niyang si Lisa na yan. You have to act now, mga palangga.